Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, I bring you the final nail in the coffin of the Senator Adeleke case as the Supreme Court now returns with their judgment. So guys, I bring you this. Supreme Court confirms Oyetola as Osun State Governor. So that's the verdict effectively. Supreme Court confirms Oyetola, that's the Buhari candidate of course, as Osun State Governor. So now this is what the Supreme Court has done. So now let's get into the body of it. The fight for the eligible winner of the Osun State governorship election has finally come to an end as the Supreme Court has pronounced Gboyega Oyetola as the winner of the September 2018 election. At the ruling today, the 7-man panel led by Justice Bode Rhodes Vivo gave a split decision with 5 justices confirming Oyetola whilst 2 consented for Ademola Adeleke. Delivering the ruling, Justice Rhodes Vivo dismissed Adeleke's application and confirmed Oyetola as the rightful winner of the election. So that's effectively what has come out of the Supreme Court in terms of verdict. So this is something that's just broken. So the details of the case is not yet fully fleshed out yet, but there's been reactions to it, of course. So this is what Femi Fani-Kayode has to say. So Femi Fani-Kayode, Adeleke versus Oyetola, Nigeria is finished. Femi Fani-Kayode reacts to Supreme Court judgment on Osun Guba. So that's the headline. Former Minister of Aviation Femi Fani-Kayode has reacted to the Supreme Court judgment upholding the election of Gboyega Oyetola of the All Progressive Congress in the last year's Osun State governorship election. The Apex Court on Friday dismissed the appeal of Senator Ademola Adeleke challenging the declaration of Gboyega Oyetola as the winner of the Osun State governorship election. It has been declared that in the lead judgment by Justice Bode Vivo, the Apex Court declared that the absence of the judge who read the majority decision of the election tribunal made the judgment a nullity. The judge upheld the decision of the Court of Appeal that the proper thing to have done in the absence of Justice Peter Obiora was to start the entire trial afresh. Reacting, Femi Fani-Kayode on Twitter stated that Adeleke was robbed at the Supreme Court. He wrote, "I am not surprised by Oyetola's so-called victory at the Supreme Court. Adeleke was robbed. Nigeria is finished." So now that is now the state of play with regards to this Senator Adeleke thing, which we have been following on this channel now. I shall bring you subsequent stories, of course, but this is fresh off the news, fresh off the headlines, really, just bringing it to you as it's just happened now. Senator Adeleke effectively been halted at the Supreme Court, and obviously after the Supreme Court, then there is no more in Nigeria. So this guy has effectively been shut down by the system. So this is what's transpired now. I can't really think that much more to add. Conversations in the comment section. We all knew this was going to happen, and it's happened. So this now just sends the signal to Atiku for what to expect at the tribunal where he's at, because of course they are going to dismiss him too, and he's going to go to the Supreme Court and they are going to dismiss him too, because this is now how elections are run in Nigeria. So this is now what we're having to deal with. So conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. Senator Adeleke has been defeated at the Supreme Court by Buhari, APC, and this Oyetola guy. So you have to now go via the Fulanis now to get to carry out the mandate of your own people. So that is now the state of play in Nigeria now. This is what we are contending with, and this is what Senator Adeleke has found out the hard way. So conversations in the comment section, as I've already said. So come join me in the comment section to have a conversation about this. But before you come join me in the comment section to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray, bell button, that way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're making of all this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.